Welcome to the Smash News Network, least busted, naming news. I'm your host, Dan, aka smAsho Mash, coming at you with another meteorology segment. Does the weather frighten you? Are you confusing weather with climate and vice versa? Are you a physics noob who wants to tell people how the climate works? Well, leave us a comment, let us know. Here are the surface winds of the western world. Heavy winds over the Mediterranean Sea at the moment. Let's take a look at the jet streams. And there you see some extreme meridional jet stream flow. It looks a little bit like Charlie Brown's shirt. Double jet stream over the Atlantic Ocean. And a little bit of a more chaotic jet stream flow in the southern hemisphere. The past couple days, let's rotate the planet. As the world turns, we look at the jet streams of the eastern portion of the planet. A little bit incoherence happening there in the southern jet streams. How about the surface winds? And there are the surface winds of the east side. East side. Let's take a look at snow. Now, snow extent is a less relevant data set because it's only showing you the two-dimensional amount of snow area on a two-dimensional scale. As you may know, snow is not two-dimensional. In other words, this shows you 3 feet and 3 inches as the same amount of area. This, however, which is over 1 standard deviation above normal, as it's been for the last 5 consecutive winters, we're pushing 6 now, with more than 1 standard deviation above normal snow mass. So this is the snow mass. It's showing you the depth used to calculate the snow mass, not including mountains, by the way. And you can see the snow water equivalent agrees with that. The average on this imagery is the 1982 to 2012 30-year average. That's the shaded in blue area there. That's 1 standard deviation above. That's 1 standard deviation, both above and below the dotted line. Let's take a look at the European forecast for snow. As there's quite a bit of snow falling over the U.S. We had some tornadoes as well last night. We won't get into it at the moment. We will show you the warning map. We're going to let this European forecast progress into Tuesday. So it'll be a 72-hour snow depth forecast as well as showing pressure. Let's just move this forward. There is where the European model has snow totals at 12 noon Eastern Time on Tuesday, December 14th. And how much snow do we have there? 54 inches. 66.6 inches of snow forecasted there in Eastern California. Yowzers. And let's take a look at the GFS forecast for precipitation and pressure over the next 72 hours. This should give you even more indication. Check out the heavy snow. That's about as dark as it gets. That's several inches per hour of wet snow, folks. That's going to cause some issues in that area. Shout out to Smash Staff's mom. We hope you watch our meteorology segments. Next, your weather.gov map, and there are a lot of places lit up. We had some tornadoes striking last night. We've got some continued flash flood warnings, high wind warnings. Let me press refresh on this. It looks a little funky. Tornado watches over Tennessee, Kentucky, Alabama, and Mississippi. As that system is moving up to the northeast, we'll show you the information on that momentarily. If your county is lit up, just click on it here at weather.gov. Look at that long band of lightning there, stretching all the way from Lake Erie to East Texas. Yowzers. Quite a concentrated band of lightning there over the past about 10 hours. And here's a real-time lightning map. We've still got terrestrial lightning over the U.S. Next time you hear thunder, check out lightningmaps.org. And some lightning here. Is it thunder snow? Some lightning over Lake Michigan. Yowzers. Anyway, there's your zoomed out global real-time lightning map. This video was originally streamed live to Twitch thanks to our followers over there. Please host our channel. Tell your friends and foes about us. Apparently, we're the #2 science and technology channel on the entire platform. Jump on the bandwagon and view our videos. Become a follower. Download the app. We're also on BitChute thanks to our subscribers over there. Make sure you follow us on YouTube if you're only viewing someplace besides YouTube. Most of our content is on YouTube. Today's featured product is all of them. Visit the links below the video to find our merch shop. You can also find it at the homepage at smashamash.com, as well as links to the Smash Team, smashamash.com/Smash Team. Give the gift of gifts. This holiday season, we're putting up free posts throughout the year, thanks to all of our paying Smash Team members. There are 2 basic levels there. Help support the channel that way. We've replaced Patreon with something vastly superior, smashamash.com/Smash Team. Let's get back to the weather. Check it out. We've got a pretty powerful system here rotating clockwise, which means it's a low pressure located far, far south in the South Pacific Ocean. This is the water vapor map, part of the NASA GOES Interactive Weather Satellite Suite. The water vapor map for Earth's largest heat sink, the Pacific Ocean. There's a lot of water there. If you think it takes less than thousands of years for that to heat up and cool down, think again. That's not how the heat latency of water works. Water has a very high heat latency. Next, your U.S. Doppler Radar Map. We'll briefly zoom out here to show the 50 states view. And shout out to Brett and our other viewers from Alaska. If you're from Hawaii, let us know in the comments. I don't think we have any known Hawaiian viewers at the moment. We've got some precipitation here moving to the northeast. And it looks like some snow in Wisconsin there. Next, your cloud layer. This is what's going on in the cloud layer. This is the Shortwave Radiation Map. It shows you clouds and fog at nighttime when it's too dark to see them with the visible satellite. A bunch of low clouds over the east coast. Once again, you can see all those low clouds there. And here's the water vapor map. And you can see this massive pressure gradient being created as this dry, massive air here gives a little bit of an impulse to push this a little bit more to the east. And here's a recap. The U.S. Doppler radar. That's radar.weather.gov. Here's the cloud layer. And if you're in the line of that storms, beware. They are still looking pretty strong. In any case, thanks for tuning in to the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off. Opinions expressed in this video, not necessarily the opinions of the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.